I recently discovered this free website, similar to YouTube, which you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. This website has over 700,000 visitors each month, and importantly, the users that visit this country are Tier 1 countries, which is great for affiliate marketing. There are 4 steps you need to follow, and I will explain all you need to do to start making money. The best part is you don't need any upfront investment. This method is absolutely free. You can even add affiliate links directly without getting banned, so you don't need a website of your own. The first step is to select a product to promote. For this example, I am going to use a ClickBank product, but this method will work with any affiliate marketing network. Now, this is important when selecting an affiliate product to promote with the website I am about to show. You need to find an activity-based affiliate product for this method to work. What I mean by activity is it could be an affiliate product related to hobbies or sports. On ClickBank, you can choose home and garden or sports to find such affiliate products. For this video, let me use this woodworking product. This product has a high gravity, which is a good indication that people are buying this product. Importantly, you make around $62, which is just one sale. When you are not spending any money to make $62 with an affiliate product, that's a pretty good result, isn't it? Click on the Promote button and copy the affiliate link. Then go to a link shortening website like this and you can make the link look good. Moving on to the second step, it is all about how to get free traffic to your affiliate product using this new free video sharing website. Do you want to know the website name? Then give this video a like and let me show you how you can use this website. Don't head over to the website just yet, because I will also show you some bonus tips which I got to know when using the website to actually get people to visit your affiliate link. This website is DTube. In simple terms, it is a decentralized video platform built on top of cryptocurrency tech. Like YouTube, you can watch videos on DTube. You don't need to create any videos. I am going to show you the exact method of how you can get traffic to your affiliate link. The top ranking videos are the videos that get a lot of points. Even when you type a keyword and search, the videos that come first are the videos that have a higher point count. So there is no guesswork with the algorithm. All you need to do is to get views, is to get points, and you can get that for free. I will show you how towards the end of the video. Now imagine this, if you can get 100 people to watch a video related to this affiliate product and out of that, just 2 people buy, then you make over $100. Keep watching, I will show you the way you can promote the video for free so that you can make money with affiliate marketing with video. Here you see a few others already doing this. They are adding the direct ClickBank affiliate link in the video description. Here is another example of the same product. You can also do the same and make money with affiliate marketing. Just follow these steps closely. Go to signup.d.tube and you will see a page like this. I will explain later about these points and how you can use them to promote your video for free. Click on the Start button. Then enter your date of birth and email and click Next. You need to confirm that you are not a robot, then click Send Mail. Then check the email you gave. You should see an email like this with a link. Click on that link. It will then show that you have verified the email. While linking your Facebook and phone is optional, I recommend that you do it because this will earn you voting points, which you can later use for promoting your videos. Since I am creating a test account to show you the steps, I will skip it for now. You will get details on how you can log in. Save this file in a safe location. Then click Confirm. Now, this step is important. Before we move on, if you are new to this channel is all about actionable tips and tricks to grow your audience and income. So be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you would be the first to know when a value-packed video like this is uploaded. What's important here is to give a name related to your affiliate product. For example, if you are using this woodworking affiliate product, then give a username like woodworking plans along with 2 digits. Then it will show you this screen with the points you got. If you linked your Facebook account and did the phone verification, this part will also be shown in green. Next, click on Create My Account. Then your account will be created and you can visit the channel by clicking the link. You will see a page like this with the VP points that you got. Next, we move on to how to promote your affiliate link with video without creating any videos. If you don't want to create any videos, there are 2 ways you can easily get videos to upload. Every ClickBank product has an affiliate page, which contains affiliate resources. For example, here you see they offer images, keywords, emails, and look, they also provide videos which they have created. So you can just click this download button and get all the videos. The other way to find videos is by going to YouTube and searching for product reviews or product demo for the affiliate product you choose, and then in the filters, you need to select Creative Commons. Just copy the video link. You don't need to download it. Depending on which method you use, the way you upload will be different. So follow this carefully. Once you log into your account, on the top right, click the upload icon and you will see a page like this. If you use a YouTube video with Creative Commons, then click on Third Party and then paste the YouTube URL here. For the purpose of this video, I am just using a random video. Click Next and then all the information will be auto-populated. But before you hit Publish, there is one thing you need to change. Remember to add the affiliate product link which you got from step 1 into the video description. Then click Publish. If you got the video from the affiliate vendor website, then click the File Upload box, keep the default and it will upload your video. Add the title and description, include your ClickBank affiliate link from step 1. The next step is where you use your points to promote the video. Click Promote this video, and drag the bar to how many points you want to allocate. The more points you allocate, the better chance you have of your video going viral and actually making sales. This is just one way to do affiliate marketing and promote products. I have created several other videos on this topic. Watch this video next and see which method you like best.